Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Agar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about experiment number 9 to crop monitoring attacked by diseases. Diseases predictor. The predictor is unique outdoor monitoring system designed to take the gas work out of the spray programs. Just by pushing the bottom we can know the current and past environment condition, current disease status and history of infection period or the probability of disease occurrence. It enables as the time of spraying operation for optimum disease control. Then first is uh, rotor stock predictor. It is an electronic device used to monitoring temperature, leaf wetness, and relative humidity in apple orchards, and was basically programmed to predict apple escape infection period. A leaf wetness sensor is placed on the tree about 1 meter above ground, and two temperature sensor liner thermistor enclosed in the standard weather shelter are connected to the instruments. One thermistor measures dry bulb or ambient temperature. The other presented in a wet weak measures wet bulb temperature. The other end of the wick is put in the water dissolving through the hole on the top of the sensor shelter. Tipping box, rain gauge, handheld printer, temperature probe and sensor extension cable are optional, essential available with the instruments. uh, Predict in mounted on the 4 centimeter diameter pipe in the orchard, and the reservoir in the field with the distilled water. Sensors are connected to the processor. A 6-volt drive battery is used, and date and time are keyed in. The instrument measures and compare current environmental condition with formula development. It then calculate the onset of the specific plant diseases for timely application for preventive chemicals. And the information is gathered, processed and stored automatically. We can retrieve the information by pushing bottom with the display on liquid crystal display LCD. It gives current weather data, back data up to 16 days. Apple escape history up to last 60 infestation period recorded. And then current data on the environment are processed and related to the apple scab status as known, low, medium and heavy, and fungicide spray optional depending upon kickback action. A degree day accumulator calculate the number of degrees days which the have transferred for the various base temperature between 0 to 24 degrees centigrade. Then second is spot trap. Spot trap are used for the capture and quantify a broad spectrum of fungal spores, both culturable and non-culturable, present in the air. Then first is Bucad volumetric spore sampler, a compact unit with a built-in vacuum pump designed to sample airborne particles such as fungus, spore and pollens continuously for the period of up to 7 days without attention. Particles are the impacted on adversely coated transparent plastic tape supported on a clockwise driven drum. And then performance of standard model is similar to the trap described by Hertz in 1952, but interchangeable or receivers can be supplied to the special order to improve the trapping efficiency for particle in the range 1 to 10 diameter. Then second is rotorod sampler. A rotor sampler is a volumetric rotating arm inspection device capable for the obtaining quantitative data on airborne particulars in the size of 1 to 100 micron at sampling rate is 120 liters per minute. In plant pathology, it is used to monitor the amount of inoculum in the form of the spore present in the atmosphere in order to assess the disease risk in advance, and thus for the managers to get ready for timely spray treatment for effective control of the diseases. And then the sampler should be operated according to the purpose. The example in Apple escape forecasting, the same sampler should be operated immediately after rain for a period of 3 to 4 hours to trap discharge escorts on the orchard. After switching the sampler off, remove the rods and mount then a specially designed ground stage adapter. The spore deposit in evaluated by counting under light microscope. Nowadays, counting reticulars are also available for facilitating the process. Then Metos automatic weather station. The heart of Metos system is a central processing computer powered by rechargeable batteries. All four function system are equipped with a built-in the graphic plots, visible numerical keyboard with 9 functional keys and an 18 characters LCD screen. This recording unit is housed indoor or in a weatherproof shelter, and includes the main power switch and ports of battery charge, optimum external power supply, and RS 232 computer interface. The sensor unit is a contained. The sensor unit is contained in the all-weather rust-proof ventilated housing with a standard air temperature, relative humidity, and solar radiation sensor, and is connected by 15 5-meter cable to the rain gauge with a 0.2 mm sensitively, and by 36 10 meter cable to to leaf wetness sensor. Then DWIT leaf witness recorders. Leaf witness recorder is built in the high growth thermograph principle with the additional of witness sensing elements and pen arm. DWIT leaf witness recorder recorded only leaf witness. In this, the chart revolved in the clockwise direction. In the clockwise direction, in the weather is dry, and the pen makes recording on the margin of the chart. The beginning of a rainy period is indicates by a clear king the line. As the master sensor swings, the pen moves toward the center of the chart and keeps recording there for the duration of the rain. And then this is a instrument of the crop monitoring. The examination of and recorded, draw and label the parts of these instruments and understand the principle and working of the instruments. Thank you.